Do you wish to send automated WhatsApp messages to your leads? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for astrology services. So I offer my services on IndiaMART and I receive a lot of leads through my IndiaMART. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my IndiaMART, then automatically and instantly a WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead using Pabbly chat flow. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my IndiaMART with my Pabbly chat flow account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically send WhatsApp messages to your IndiaMART leads or inquiries for astrology services. So this automation will help you instantly connect with potential clients, share personalized responses, and improve your chances of converting leads into customers, and all without manual effort. So stay tuned as I walk you through the step-by-step process. So as you all know that I offer astrology services and receive leads or inquiries from IndiaMART. So now responding quickly is key to converting them into clients. So now manually reaching out to every lead takes time and effort, and I might miss potential customers. So by using Pabbly chat flow to send automated WhatsApp messages, I can instantly connect with interested people, share details about my service, and even send consultation booking links. This ensures that every inquiry gets a prompt response, improving engagement and increasing my chances of securing more clients effortlessly. So here on the screen you can see an automated WhatsApp message that I've sent to my lead by setting up this automation. So now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your IndiaMART account with your Pabbly chat flow account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on the screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/INA/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window, and here you can see all the applications of Pabbly. And here to build my connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. But here before accessing Pabbly Connect, let me tell you that you can access your Pabbly chat flow account from here by simply clicking on this access now over here. Okay, so I'm going to access Pabbly Connect. And here you can see the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. And to create a workflow, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for astrology services. So this is my workflow name, and then here it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I have already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as IndiaMART, as I'm receiving new leads through IndiaMART. IndiaMART. So IndiaMART is an online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers primarily for business and industrial products. So here in my IndiaMART trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new leads, so that whenever I'm going to receive new leads through my IndiaMART, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So now here following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my IndiaMART account. And from here I'm going to click on this lead manager given the left side bar. And here under lead manager, I'm going to click on this menu. And from here, I'm going to select import export leads. And here under import export leads, I'm going to select push API. And here under push API integration, you can see it is asking me to select the source. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the sources available. So here I'm going to select my source as other. And then here it is asking me for my CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So here for the CRM platform name, I'm going to enter the name as Pabbly Connect. And here for the webhook listener URL, I'm going to enter the URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL. And now here after entering both the required details, I'm going to click on the save details given over here. And now here for API activation, it is asking me to select the reason that why I want to transfer my IndiaMART leads to any other CRM. So now here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see some random reasons. So here I'm going to select a reason that says I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. Okay, so this is the reason, and then I'm going to click on this click to generate OTP. And then here it is asking me to enter the OTP that I've received on my phone. So here I'm going to enter the OTP. And now here after successfully entering the OTP, I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see we have successfully set up a webhook inside our IndiaMART, or you can say we have successfully connected our IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect. So now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our IndiaMART account. So now here to generate a test lead, let me take you back to my IndiaMART. And here in my IndiaMART account to generate a test lead, I'm going to click on this test your webhook listener URL button given over here. So by clicking on this particular button, I'm going to generate a test lead response on my webhook listener URL. So here I'm going to generate the test lead to set up this automation further. So I'm going to click it over here, and then I'm going to click on this test. And here you can see I've received a curl request header. That means we have successfully sent a test response to this webhook URL. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the status as success, a unique query ID, and the subject as requirement for empty mineral water bottle. So here, as you know, that I run an astrology business, and here instead of receiving astrology service inquiry, I have received a query for empty mineral water bottle. That is because here I've generated a test lead to set up this automation, and this is the test response that I have received. Okay, so here you can see the sender state, pin code, phone number, name, mobile number, scrolling little down. Here you can see sender's email address, country code, company, city, address, scrolling little more down. And lastly, here you can see the query product name, that is mineral water bottle, and the query message that says, I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle, kindly send me price and other details, quantity, piece, probable order value, and probable requirement type. So this is the query, and again here I'm telling you that this is the test response that I've received, but if you're receiving live leads in your IndiaMART account, then you will receive this response accordingly. Okay, so with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new leads through our IndiaMART, I want to send an instant automated WhatsApp message to my lead on their WhatsApp number using Pabbly chat flow. So for that, I need to connect my Pabbly chat flow with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. But here before building the connection, you might be thinking that what is Pabbly chat flow exactly? So let me tell you that Pabbly chat flow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their websites and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions, and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly chat flow to save time, improve customer support, and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable, and helps businesses provide quick responses, which keeps customers happy and boosts conversions. So this was all about Pabbly chat flow. And now here, before connecting your Pabbly chat flow account with Pabbly Connect, you need to set up your Pabbly chat flow account first. And now here to set up your Pabbly chat flow account, what you need to do is that you need to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly chat flow account. So now here here to add the WhatsApp number, what you need to do is that you need to click on this top right corner which says add WhatsApp number over here, and then a dialog box will appear in front of you, and here it is going to ask for Meta access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. And here under the select folder, you can select the folder to save your WhatsApp number accordingly. So now here the question arises that from where you are going to get the Meta access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So now here to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And to generate the permanent access token and set up a WhatsApp Cloud API account, you need to use Meta for developers. So now here if you wish to learn the detailed setup of your WhatsApp Cloud API account, then you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. Okay, so once you are going to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account, then you are going to get all these details, and after getting the details, then you have to fill in all details over here, and then you have to click on this next, and by doing that, you are going to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Okay, so here I've already set up my Pabbly Chatflow account with a WhatsApp number, and here if you wish to learn the entire Pabbly Chatflow account setup step by step in a detailed version, then you can also check out the video that is given over here on our Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. Okay, so now here I've already set up my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now I'm going to connect my Pabbly Chatflow with Pabbly Connect. So here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Pabbly Chatflow. So I'm going to select it, and here I'm going to select my action event as send template message, so that whenever I'm going to receive new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically using a template message, an automated WhatsApp message is going to be sent to my lead through Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so now here to connect my Pabbly Chatflow with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Pabbly Chatflow account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for the API token. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Pabbly Chatflow account, and from here I'm going to click on the settings given in the left side bar, and here under settings I'm going to select API and webhooks. And here under API and webhooks, I'm going to generate a API token first, and then I'm going to copy the token, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the token. So here I've successfully added the API token, and now I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the recipient mobile number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send an automated WhatsApp message. So now here instead of entering the mobile number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to search for my leads mobile number. So this is my leads mobile number, so I'm going to map it over here. But here before moving forward, let's read the instruction that says enter the recipient's WhatsApp mobile number with the country code without plus sign. Ensure the mobile number is active on WhatsApp. So here you can see it says we need to enter the WhatsApp mobile number with the country code but without plus sign. And here you can see our phone number contains a plus sign over here. So now we need to delete this plus sign, or you can say that we need to separate this plus sign from our phone number. So now here to separate the plus sign, what we need to do is that we need to split the text. So now here the question arises that how we are going to split the text. So now here to split the text, we are going to use a feature by Pabbly, that is text formatter by Pabbly, by adding an action step over here. So here in this action step, I'm going to select a feature by Pabbly, that is text formatter by Pabbly. And now here for the action event, I'm going to select split text. So here I'm using text formatter by Pabbly to split the text, but you can use it for basic formatting, extract pattern, find in text, replace text, text parser, truncate, URL encode, decode, default value, URL parameter encode, and HTML to markdown. So here in this particular case, I'm going to use text formatter by Pabbly for splitting text, and now I'm going to click on this connect. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So now here it is asking me to enter the text to split. So here in this field, I need to enter the text that I want to split. So here I'm going to map my leads mobile number. So this is my leads mobile number, and then here it is asking me to enter the separator. So here I want the separator to be a plus sign, so I'm going to enter that. And then it says select the segment index. So here I want to split the text after this plus sign, so I'm going to select second, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received the number without plus. That means we have successfully splitted the text, and with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now let's move back to our Pabbly Chatflow. And here in our Pabbly chat flow actions step, I'm going to replace this number and then I'm going to map the respondent mobile number that we have received through our text formatter response. So this is our mobile number moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the template name. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the templates that I've already created using Pabbly chat flow. So now here to get this template name, let me take you back to my Pabbly chat flow account. So this is my Pabbly chat flow account, and from here you can see we have received the option for templates in the left side bar. So here I'm going to select templates list. And here under templates, you can see all the templates that I've created using Pabbly chat flow till now to send automated WhatsApp messages to all my leads or customers for a specific use. Okay, so these are the templates, and here I'm going to use a template which I've already created with the name IndiaMART leads message. So here you can see the message that I've already drafted which says, "Hello One, thank you for your inquiry through IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our offerings. Our team has received your request and will get back to you shortly with more information. If you have any immediate questions or need assistance, feel free to reply to this message. We are here to help. Best regards." So this is the message that I have drafted, and here you can see I have used a variable in the place of name. So that is because here I want that whenever I'm going to receive new leads through my IndiaMART, then automatically the value of this variable should be updated. Variables makes our text dynamic, and you can use multiple variables in your draft. So here you can see I've used a variable for the name. So this is my message, and here in this particular case, I'm going to use this particular template that I've created with the name IndiaMART leads message. Okay, so now here before moving forward, I'm going to tell you that how you can create your own message template in Pabbly chat flow account. So now here to create your own template, you have to click on this add a new template button given on the top right corner. And then a new template window will appear in front of you, and here you can see we can add a new template over here. So now to add a new template, firstly it is asking us to select the template category. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see the two categories that are available, that is utility and marketing. So here let's suppose we are going to select the category as marketing, and then here it is asking us to give a name to our template. So here you can give any name to your template such as new leads, but here make sure that your template name cannot contain a space. So instead of space you can use a underscore over here. So let's suppose that we are going to give the name as new lead, and then here it is asking me to select the language. So here in this language field, you need to select the language of your template. So let's suppose we are going to select it as English. So this is our language, and now you have to select in the language. It is asking us to select the template type. So here for the template type, you need to select your template type. That means you need to select the type of template you are going to create with text, image, video or document. So here my template is going to contain only text, so I have selected text. But if your template contains image, video or document, then you have to select the template type accordingly. Okay, so now you have to selecting the template type. It is asking us to give a header to our template. So here you can give a header to your template. Let's suppose that I'm going to give it as welcome over here, and here you can notice that as soon as I entered a template head, we can see a message preview in the left side of this window. So here you can see the template header that I have added. Okay, so it's an optional field. If you want, then you can add it or you can leave it. Okay, so moving forward, then it is asking for the template format. So here in this template format field, you need to enter the body of your template. That means the body of the message that you want to send to your lead or customer. So now here let's suppose that I'm going to start my message as hello, and again here in the place of lead's name, I'm going to add a variable in the curly braces. So here I've added a text, and here you can see in the right side that we have received a message preview. Okay, so here you can see the text that I have added, and here you have to add the body as per your need. And as soon as I entered a variable over here, you can see it is asking for the sample value of a variable. That means here in this field, I need to enter the sample value of the variable that I have used. So let's suppose that I'm going to enter the lead name over here as a sample value. Moving forward, and then here it is asking for template footer. So if you want to add the footer, then you can do it as per your need. And then here it is asking for interactive actions. So here you need to select your interactive actions such as none, quick replies or all. And after adding all the required details, you need to click on this submit. And as soon as you're going to click on this submit, your template will be sent to Meta for approval. And once your template gets approved by Meta, then automatically you are going to see the status of your template over here, such as pending or approved. And once your template gets approved, then you can instantly use that template to send automated WhatsApp message to your leads or customer. Okay, so now here you know I'm going to use a template that I've already created, and my template is approved over here with the name IndiaMART leads message. So So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my template name as IndiaMART leads message. So this is the template, and here you can see after selecting the template name, automatically this header type has been selected as a text, because here I've used the template type as text moving forward. And then here it is asking for header, params, media URL and the file name. So here these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank as I have not added any header, params or media or file in my template. Okay, so now here I'm going to leave all of these fields blank, and then here it is asking for the body parameter. So here in this body parameter field, I need to enter the value of my variable that I have used in my template. So as I've already shown you that I have used the variable in my template for the leads name. So here for the variable value, I'm going to map my leads name. So I'm going to search for the name over here. So this is my leads name, so I'm going to map it. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original phone number to receive the WhatsApp messages. So here I've successfully entered my own phone number, so I'm going to scroll it a little down, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message to my phone number. So now here before checking the WhatsApp, let me take you back to my Pabbly Chartflow account, and from here we are going to click on this inbox. And here you can see we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message in the inbox, and here you can see the status of the message that is sent and delivered over here. And once your lead is going to read the message, then automatically the status will be updated over here. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp. And here you can see we have received a successful WhatsApp message which says, "Hello Prabha, thank you for inquiry through IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our offerings. Our team has received your request and will get back to you shortly with more information. If you have any immediate questions or need assistance, feel free to reply to this message. We are here to help. Best regards." Okay, so this is the personalized WhatsApp message that we have sent to our lead. And with this, we have successfully set up an automation to send an automated WhatsApp message. So now let's go back to our chat flow. And here you can see the status has been updated with the read over here, and now let's try to reply to this message to see what happens next. So here I'm going to reply with a hello over here. So here I've sent a message, so now let's go and check our inbox, and here you can see we have successfully received a reply over here in the inbox as well. That means whenever your lead or customer is going to reply to your message, then you can check that message in the inbox in your Pabbly Chartflow account. Okay, so with this we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as IndiaMART and our action as text formatted by Pabbly and Pabbly Chartflow. So that whenever we are going to receive new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically using text formatted by Pabbly, the lead's phone number is going to get modified, and after that automatically and instantly an automated WhatsApp message is going to be sent to our lead using a template message through Pabbly Chartflow. Okay, so these were the steps to how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for astrology services. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same work, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.